Basolwa lababili lekuthiwa bafaka isandla ekubulaleni umhlabeleli weLuvumo aka nemngani wakhe Tibbs. Umhlabe bavele enkantolo yakaMantshi kaManzini. Lo mhla bekubhekeke ukuthi kuphume isijubo sekuthi labafokadi bakaNdimandi labasuka eveni laseNingizimu Afrika babuyela yini ekhaya kibo kuyobhekana nemacala pheceleti yona ye-extradition. Kepha sijubo asikaphumi sacutshelwa mhla til-16 enyangeni yeNgci 16 August. Leli cala licale seyishaya yagabanxa insimbi ye-10 lapho khona ummeli wabombekwa-cala Tsotsi Mabila ufike-ke wabikela inkantolo ukuthi akasiyena-ke lophilile. Beke-ke izizathu lezintathu letisekela sona sicelo sabo sekuthi leli cala alihlehliswe. Uthe incwadi yetikhalo baphutile ukuthola ucwaningo labo lelifakala amanye amacala abakaluhlanganisi, kanti-ke uthi kunemaphoyisa aseveni labomakhelwane lasungela bomsola uthi abakaphephi. Bameli bahulumende i-DPP bathe bona abakuva lolo kuvetwa ngumlingani. Bathi-ke incwadi yetikhalo ayisiyo-ke lensha njengoba-ke kuhlanganiswe tonke yetikhalo labatatiko, kanti-ke le kusongelwa bona-ke batwenda siciniseko sekuthi basolwa bafika baphephile eveni laseNingizimu Afrika. Bathe kucutshelwa imbili kwaleli cala kumthwalo-ke kuhulumende.
It is surprising that a matter of this magnitude can be postponed just because the other party is alleging that he has not perused the book of pleadings. Unless Your Lordship, he alleges that there are new documents inserted in the book of pleadings that he or she is not in possession of. In our view, Your Lordship, this is just a strategy to cure the lack of preparedness on the part of the respondent to deal with this matter on this stage. We are therefore opposed to the application for postponement on the basis of the issue of the book of pleadings.
These are serious allegations, Your Lordship. In any event, Your Lordship,
I'm sure that because he is misleading the court. This is not an attachment, it's a replying affidavit. You must look at paragraph 8C, paragraph 41. It is contained in a replying affidavit. It's not an attachment. That's why I say he must put his house in order first before he mislead the court.
Kanti-ke inkosi yenkantolo yakaMantshi David Khumalo uvumelane-ke nelihhovisi laka-DPP licala lachubeka wachitha sicelo sekuchubela imbili lelicala. Inkosi yenkantolo yakaMantshi ithe vele-ke akavumeleke ukuthi emacala alolu hlobo atekwe ngemacozcozi. Unikedwe lokugcina kubomsolwa ukuthi batohlala-ke baphephile noma ngabe-ke siyaphuma sijubo sekuthi babheke khona eveni laseNingizimu Afrika batophepha. Uthe-ke langacondzisisi kahle ukuthi behlulwa yini kuletha-ke ubufakazi lobugcwele njengoba bathi bebangekho nakwenteka lokucala. Khumalo uthi-ke lokho sekutawuphenduleka noma-ke sekutawuphumela ebaleni asekutekwa lona licala labo enkantolo lengiyo kwakhe ukhokha-ke isijubo sekuhamba kwabo yona-ke i-extradition. Kanti nabo-ke belihhovisi laka-DPP labamelele uhulumende bathe ilihhovisi laseNingizimu Afrika lababhalela lacela ukuthi bomsolwa babuyele ekhaya uzeke licala litewuteka. Inkosi yenkantolo yakaMantshi ithe itawuphuma nesijubo mhla til-16 enyangeni yeNgci. Edinzabeni demsakato we-channel yeMaswati kubika dududu enkantolo yakaMantshi kaManzini.